And welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling the Patton tank from Miniature Tanks Company. So it comes in all these parts as a kit. So the first step of the assembly process is take your hobby cutters and carefully cut there. There you go. And then take the cutters and cut like that. All right, so that piece is done and ready to go, along with the tracks, the turret there, that piece, and that piece. The only other part of this model that needs to be used hobby clippers with is this part. Go like this. All right. There you go. And always be careful about these little parts that you're cut away. Sometimes they can fly around. You wouldn't want them to fly into your eye. So it's advisable to wear glasses. Now you see how I did that? Just cutting away this plastic support material from underneath this gun. And take this piece and cut away that. And then take and cut away these support pieces here. There you go. Once you have that all cleaned up, you may want to sand it down or something like that. So that part of the kit assembly process is done. Now we're going to do the gluing together part. All right, so you can see how that goes like that. So first of all, just place some glue along these edges like this. There you go. And then take this piece. You can use the table to help guide the placement. Make sure it's going down in the correct position and such. That's pretty good. Next, put some glue here. And then you can put some glue like that. Perfect. That part of the bottom, while that glue, I know it's quick setting glue, but while that glue is situated itself, put some glue here. And then let's glue this turret together. Careful with the placement of this. It's important to get it all lined up. Such. You can use the table as a guide as well. So you can see how I use that flat surface and use the table as a guide. And then of course, just put some glue here, here. There you go. And then put this piece like that. All right. So that turret's like that. Let's set that aside. Now you can see how this should be done. You can see how this doesn't line up well. It's this side that lines up well. And then it's pretty easy to figure out where they line up, as you can see. So simple like this, just put some glue on the edge and let's glue her up. Might put some glue here as well. Alright. Then, take this. Let's line up all the features. Get it all lined up. Yay. Then take this glue here. That's actually the last piece to glue together. So take and put that piece like that. In this case, I use the table to help. Oops. So trying again. And now pressing firmly. There you go. There's the body and the turret of the Patton tank from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video.